Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by collecting your UAN, Aadhaar, PAN, and employer details. Open the EPFO Unified Portal and choose the For Employees section. Click Member UAN/Online Services, then activate UAN only if UAN inactive. For updating existing UAN details, choose Manage then KYC to add documents. Upload scanned Aadhaar and PAN in JPG or PDF under 200 KB per file. Enter correct details and submit for employer verification with an OTP sent to your Aadhaar mobile. Keep copies of receipts or after submission, wait for employer to approve KYC changes in their EPF portal. Employers typically verify within 7 to 15 working days, depending on workload. If employer rejects, correct the data and resubmit with supporting documents immediately. For persistent delays, contact your HR department and request manual endorsement on Form 11 or Form 19. You may also raise a grievance on EPFO portal under Online Grievance Management. Keep your communication dates and acknowledgement numbers for follow-up and escalation. Check status by logging into the UAN member portal daily. If you do not have a UAN, ask your employer to generate one immediately. Provide Aadhaar and PAN to employer for seeding and KYC linkage without delay. If Aadhaar name mismatches, update Aadhaar first at UIDI, then upload corrected document in EPFO portal. For offline correction, visit your regional PF office with original documents and submit a signed request. Keep copies of all submitted forms and obtain stamped receipts from the PF office. Follow up often until UAN reflects correct KYC and link status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.